Alright, this is Lake Mountain 3D printing, and I want to introduce a new product. This is a new battery case, magnetic. It's made out of ABS, which is better impact resistant than the PETG that I've been using. It's got 6 magnets. This is a Dewalt Flexvolt 9.0 amp hour battery, and it's got plenty of stick. Go on sideways, and let's see what else can I say about it. Let me get a closer look at it. And I'm hoping switching to ABS it'll be better impact resistance than my previous designs, which is something I'm going to be switching on all my products. But yep, there it is.